Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to tie a cat's paw knot. Now I have an example here, and this is a very typical knot that you'll see a lot with paracord. So if you just look here, this is your traditional cat's paw. So you can see that it has a nice little double loop and then a single loop there. So this is a single cat's paw. You can also do a double cat's paw, and I'm going to show you how to do both in this video. So you can just see the difference there. You're going to have an extra little loop there happening. So we have our single cat's paw and our double cat's paw. All right, so let's go ahead and let's show you how to do this. So I have a little cord here, and this is a 1.5 millimeter cord. It's just some of that Chinese knotting cord. It's very flexible. It's a nice nylon. And to demonstrate, I'm going to be using the Swarovski Crystal Urban Pendant. And as you can see, it has a nice little oval hole there, and that's going to be ideal for tying this type of a knot. Okay, so go ahead and take your cord, whatever it is, fold it in half, and you're going to stick the loop through the hole of the opening. And then you're going to do something that is probably very familiar to you. You're going to tie a lark's head knot. So go ahead and take those two ends and take them up through and down. Now what we want to do before we start our cat's paw is we actually want to make sure that that loop is on the top. So I'm going to flip over my piece to make sure that that loop there is over the two cords coming out. So then go ahead and separate just like so. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take that pendant and you're going to flip it to the back, and you're actually going to bring it through that opening there and pull down. And then all you need to do is just kind of wiggle it, and you can use your finger to bring it down, and it's going to pull tight and sit just on top of it. There you go. Now you can see that one of the loops is sitting up and one is sitting to the side. So all you need to do is just kind of separate that and bring it together so that they sit right next to each other. So it does take a little bit of wiggling, but it's a really nice sort of stylized knot that is similar to a lark's head. And then you can have your two strands facing out like that. So that is the single cat's paw. So I'm actually going to take that apart and show you the double cat's paw now, which of course you can imagine is going to be very similar. So again, fold your cord in half, stick it through the loop there, and bring your cords up through, and again flipping it over to make sure that our loop is on the other side. And this one we're going to want a little bit more space there. So separating our cords, we're going to flip through once, and to do the double, we're going to flip through twice. Very simple. And then go ahead and take your cord, and I'm just kind of feeding it down with my fingers and just kind of pulling it at the same time. And we're going to get to our little double cat's paw. There we go. And I'm just tightening it, giving a little tug to each side. There we go. And it comes down into our double cat's paw. Now, this is a 1.5 millimeter cord, but I just want to bring it up here with the others to show you the difference. So this is a 1 millimeter cord. You can see just how teensy tiny that is, which is really kind of cute if you, want to do a slighter necklace or even a bracelet. And then this is a 2 millimeter cord, so you can just see how much chunkier that is. So if you just want to kind of look, we go from 1 to 1.5 to 2. And then I also did it using leather. Now, as you can see on this one, it has 3. So this is a triple cat's paw. So you can actually do this several times. It'll give you that nice sort of roped tiered effect. So it's just really kind of neat to do with leather. And this is actually a finished necklace that I did. So you can see what it looks like when it's all done. And I use this great little clasp in the back and these little crimps that work great for leather. They actually come as a nice little set. So all you need to do is get your leather, your crystal, and your little end caps there. So just lots of options you can do with the cat's paw. So that is how to tie the cat's paw knot. You can get all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe to get all the latest from Beadaholique.